हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। माय नेम इज़ अनुराग तिवारी और आप इनसाइट एकेडमी इंग्लिश के चैनल पे आ चुके हो। सो आई एम अगेन टुडे हियर विद अ न्यू रिजल्ट। मैं शो कर रहा हूँ कि बच्चे इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं और बच्चे इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं। बेशक बच्चों के माँ बाप को इंग्लिश ना आती हो, भाई बहन को इंग्लिश ना आती हो, भैया भाभी को इंग्लिश ना आती हो। मम्मी आपकी इंग्लिश बोलती है भाई?
No, sir.
नहीं बोलती ना। बट आप बोलते हो कि नहीं बोलते हो?
Yes, sir. I speak English.
सो द थिंग इज दैट कि मैं आपको रियलाइज करवाना चाहता हूँ कि भाई देखो तुम क्या चीज़ मिस कर रहे हो अपने लाइफ में, है ना। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा तुम मेरे पास आके पढ़ लो, कहीं पे भी पढ़ लो। फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज कि तुम्हें पढ़ना है, पढ़ना इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस पे ध्यान दो, है ना। तो आज श्लोक भाई हमारे साथ हैं। ही इज जस्ट 11 ईयर्स ओल्ड एंड ही हैज़ बीन हियर फॉर सिंस व्हेन हैव यू बीन लर्निंग?
Sir, I am learning here 4 months.
फॉर 4 months ही हैज़ कम्प्लीटेड 4 months। सो टुडे आई एम हियर टू शो हिज रिजल्ट, हिज परफॉर्मेंस, ये कैसा करता है। और मैं और वीडियोस लाऊंगा, मैं हंड्रेड्स ऑफ वीडियोस अपलोड करने वाला हूँ चैनल पे, तो ताकि मैं दिखा सकूँ लोगों को कि हाँ भाई बच्चे भी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलना संभव है। इंग्लिश शुड नॉट बी एनी बैरियर फॉर एनी बडी। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। हेलो सर,
Hello, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. What about you, sir?
Why do you say I'm fine? I have told you top 10 ways to say I'm fine.
Yes, sir. I'm working on here, sir.
That's great. I'm also over the moon and I'm sitting on the top of the world. How do you speak English?
Sir, I speak English very nice and very confidently.
So when you speak English, do you feel good about yourself?
Yes, sir. I feel good about myself when I speak English.
How many friends do you have who speak English?
Yes, sir.
How many friends do you have who speak English?
Sir, I have one friend that speak English.
That speaks English?
Yes, sir.
What is his name?
His name is Ronak.
Ronak.
Yes.
Do you have any female friends?
No, sir. I don't have any female friend.
Why?
Sir, because I don't like female friends.
Okay, today we are going to have a topic, okay? And the today's topic is boys versus girls.
Okay, sir.
I will be asking questions. You just have to answer my
Okay,
question.
sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am comfortable.
That's great thing. As you are a boy,
Yes.
would you like to change your gender?
No, sir. I would not like to change my gender.
Why would you not like to change your gender? First of all,
Sir, because I don't want to change my gender because I want to live like boy. I
really,
don't like
you
to.
want to remain like a boy.
Yes, sir.
Why? But why? What is that one thing that is different from the girls, due to which you don't want to go into that domain, that field, that being girl?
Sir, because girls girls have so attitude and
Okay.
boys don't have that much attitude, and girls girls say that you are a bad boy, so I will not talk to you, you are this, and that's why I don't like girls. And in my school I also don't talk to girls.
Really, you don't talk
Yes,
to
sir.
any girl?
No, sir.
Okay.
There are only my boys friends.
But you would not like to become a girl because of only this reason.
Yes, sir.
But if you become a girl, you get many advantages.
How?
How? You are the Papa Ki Pari. You know this concept?
Yes, sir. I know.
So tell me about Papa Ki Pari. What does it mean, Papa Ki Pari?
Sir, it means the father's fairy.
The father's fairy.
Father's
Okay.
fairy.
So would you not like to be that?
No, sir. I would not like to be that.
Okay. Who has more freedom? Girls have more freedom or boys have more freedom?
I think girls have more freedom.
Are you honest?
Yes, sir. I am honest because if my father say that you take this 10 my father gives my sister 10 rupees and he gives me 5 rupees, and for that I bring that packets of cheese, and she also eat that. And when I say to my mother doesn't say to my sister that why have you eaten his
Chips.
chips.
Oh my God! You can see this discrimination, guys, that he's facing nowadays, and nobody cares about this. Nobody takes care about this. It's not a big deal. It's not a, like, really, everybody should take. Okay, no problem. So this is a huge problem.
Yes,
Your
sir.
father gives you 10 rupees, and sorry, your father gives you 5 rupees, and he gives your sister 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Double of you.
Yes, sir.
Double the amount. Okay, so does it not hurt you?
Sir, I heard that so much.
Really?
Yes,
So
sir.
do you not say to your mother, and don't you say your father that, father, you should give me the same amount of money because I'm also your boy and I'm the elder one?
Sir, I say to my father that please father please give me 10 rupees, but father say no, I will give tomorrow, and then father don't give tomorrow, he
That
only
tomorrow
gives
never
one.
comes.
Yes sir, that tomorrow never comes.
Okay, so do you beat your sister?
Yes sir, I beat my sister.
लड़के
Yes
तगड़ा
sir.
एकदम है. That's a good thing. You should keep doing this.
Yes sir, but she also beat me.
She also beats you,
Yes sir.
but she is very younger.
Sir, when I do mistake, then she beat me.
She beats
And
me.
yes, sir, she beats me. And when she do mistakes,
Makes mistake.
make mistakes, so then I beats her.
You beat her. Why do you not get her in this tuition?
Sir, my mother is saying that when her UT will be end, her UT will be end, then she will join the subject tuition to see a ma'am.
Okay. Do you think that I can make her also capable of speaking English?
Sir, I say you should join in my sister. You should join English, but she say no. I don't English. When I will become
Elder.
elder, then I will join. When I will become to your age.
What do
then.
you think? Do you believe that I can make her also able to speak?
Yes, sir. I know about you. You can able to her speak English.
Okay, that's a good thing. You would not like to become a girl.
Yes, sir. I would not like to become a girl.
Do you hate girls?
No, sir, I don't hate girls, but they have so much of attitude, and they say, "No, I would not like to talk you because you are a bad boy and your writing is this that." So that's why.
Okay, so have you ever slapped any girl?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I have not slapped any girl, but I have slapped my sister.
Except your sister, you have
No,
not slapped
sir.
anyone.
No, sir. No, sir.
Guys, why are you making noise? Okay, Shlok,
Yes, sir.
as you are 11 years old and it is your first video with me,
Yes, sir.
first of all,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you feel now? Do you feel
Sir, I am
confident
feel-
about yourself?
Yes, sir. I am feeling confident for myself and very nice that this is my first video uh, with you.
That's a good thing. What does your father do?
My father, my father does transport work.
Transport work. Your mother is a housewife or working professional?
She is a housewife,
Okay. Why don't you say to your mother to learn English?
sir. Because she does not want to learn English.
You know one thing. Now I have taken a decision that I will make each child, every children, able to and capable of speaking. But in future, I will be having an oath in which I will complete the fulfillment of learning English of all the elders out there. The mothers and the fathers, whoever are there in the field, in the market, I will make all of them able to speak. I will try to make them realize that yeah, it is still possible. Somehow they dropped their education, somehow they have stopped learning this, somehow they are like no, now I would not learn English, and I am not able to learn English, I cannot learn English. But I will remove this perception, I will remove this cover from their site, and I will show them the real picture that yeah, even today you can join Insight Academy, and we are here to train you in any manner, and we are here to make you all learn English.
Yes.
What are the challenges that people face while learning English? Because you have already made so many people converse here, and when you come to Insight Academy, you get to know that your environment. I don't do any specific things, only my children do the things. Okay, so what do you feel? What is the basic thing, the basic criteria which they are not able to fulfill, and due to which they feel that they are not able to speak, and they even you know there are many people who are still trying to learn, but they are not able to even learn it. They are not even able to complete one chapter, two chapter, three chapters. So what's your opinion about this?
Sir, my opinion about this is that English, this whole world, they should know how to speak English, and that if I am speaking English, should they also learn speak English? But I don't know why they struggle about English. That English will not able to will not we cannot learn English, and that.
Okay, have you started learning passive voice from our playlist?
Yes, sir. I have started learning playlist.
You have to learn it. Okay, you have to make
Yes,
a new
sir.
notebook of passive voice
Yes,
and
sir.
note it down from the very scratch,
Yes,
because
sir.
it is very important thing. It is something that is crucial. You know that?
Yes, sir. I have made that notebook.
How many videos have you completed? I have uploaded 19 videos.
Yes, sir.
How many of them have you
Sir,
completed?
I have written to able to pass, I think.
Up to able to pass.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
It's a great thing. You all have to write it down, okay? I recommend, and I'm making all you compelled to write, especially about Inside Academy students. You must write this. Are you guys getting me? Okay. So, like I asked you the question. Now, I would like you to ask questions to me.
So, sir, would you like to become a girl?
Ah?
Would you like to become a girl?
No, why would I like to become a girl? I'm a boy now. I have a perception of boy. I have a mindset of boy. I wear clothes like boy. I behave like a boy. I pursue my career like a boy. So why would I like to go there?
Sir, do you think that girls have more struggle compared to boys?
Yeah, I do think that girls have more struggle compared to boys. Being a boy, we get the freedom, and only this is the only thing that we get free of cost. And you know, on the exchange of this, we also do a lot of things. Okay, I would not say that boys don't have a struggle and boys are not like that pathetic. First of all, for me, they are also optimistic, and girls are also optimistic, but some of them are pessimistic because they feel that they are not getting environment, they are not getting the things in which they should get. And I have been in conversation with a lot of people, a lot of girls especially, and I always face this problem. Suppose if a girl is coming to Inside Academy, so she must be fighting with her parents. She must be saying to her parents that Papa, please let me go because I want to learn English. I have to learn English. They simply say, why do you need to learn English? Especially the Bihar people. No, you don't have to take it personal. Okay, are you from Bihar?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. You don't have to take it personal. I have seen so many people, and I'm talking on the basis of my own experience. When I go to them, when I contact them, when I try to make them understand, not all of them, okay, only 10% are like this. So I simply say that your children is not able to speak, he is not learning, he is not educating himself. So himself, why don't you push him for that? Why do you not like make him realize that you should also go for it? It is important in your life. He simply slapped me with words, and the words were like, इसको पढ़ने की क्या जरूरत है, एक खेत बेच दूंगा, 10 लाख का दहेज तैयार हो जाएगा, 12 लाख का दहेज देके इसकी शादी कर दूंगा. So this was the question, and I was totally shocked यार. Like I was like, भाई ऐसा कैसे कोई बोल सकता है, अभी मेरे सामने कैसे बोल सकता है? So this is a huge problem, brother. It's a huge problem in the society that girls are facing. They have been set in a perception that they are only made for home chores work. They are only made for your pleasure. They are only made for like
Housewife.
being housewife. Being housewife is the limit. And at the same time, it's not all about only society. Girls also, most of the girls only want this. In the name of freedom, what they want?
This.
They want to wear Western culture of dresses. They want to wear open, you can say open dresses.
Yes.
This is the freedom for them. But when it comes to learning, when it comes to educating themselves, when it comes to going into the market, when it comes to taking participation in the payment of bills, when it comes to exploring the world, they are none. They would not like to go. Okay, so they can't help giving excuses. They always give excuses, and they also want to live in the comfort zone. They don't want to go to job. They want to just sit at home. They want to make food, and they want to be happy. लो भाई सुबह काम हो गया, अब तो मैं मजे में हूँ. पंचायत दे. Don't you see like गली में आंटी बैठ गई या कोई बैठ गया. So they have time. They have time. So that's why they are sitting there. ना you can't sit there. Because you have to go to school, you have to go to tuition, you have to play also, you have to make your notes, you have to complete your homework. So this is all my perception, and like I would humbly request to each one of us and each one of you all, like please be aware with this, and let your children, whether he is a boy and she is a girl, let your children study, let your children explore the world, let your children know the things, okay, that you have already known, and you don't know the capability of anybody. So yes sir, please.
Sir, do you know why do girls apply makeup?
I have made a video. Even today, I don't know why do girls apply makeup.
Sir, they apply makeup because they like makeup, and when they have that dark skins, so for becoming this
Fair skin.
yes sir,
For getting a fair skin.
yes sir, so that's why they apply makeup.
It's not a good thing, I think so. What
Yes,
do you
sir.
think?
Yes, sir, that is not a good thing because God has made that human
Exactly.
personality. Why are you making that makeup and applying makeup?
Like it's your real color.
Yes, sir.
It cannot be changed.
Yes, sir.
This is passive voice.
Yes.
It cannot be changed. ये बदला नहीं जा सकता
Yes.
है, बर प्लस सकता है.
Yes.
So it cannot be changed, but still people try to change it,
Yes.
and only for one day.
Yes.
Occasionally, they feel that they should not be looking like this. They should be looking handsome. They should be looking beautiful. They should be looking. It is also applicable on men at the same time.
Yes, sir.
Not only girls, boys
Boys
also.
also.
Yeah, some of.
Some.
Like I don't apply, like you don't apply, he doesn't apply, but many people apply. Okay, So what can we do, yaar? Makeup industry is a huge industry today.
Yes. Sir, I have applied makeup for my function.
Press the button. Press the button. Okay.
Sir, I have
Press
applied.
the button, yaar.
I have applied makeup for my annual function and for going somewhere. That's why. For function, I have only applied that.
Not, it's not a bad thing. First of all,
Yes.
applying makeup, but applying excessive makeup is
Yes.
something that should be prohibited. Okay, so it was a nice conversation with you today. I will have a debate with you, and I
Yes,
would
sir.
also like to have a lot of conversation with you in future.
Sir.
सो गाइज आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास श्लोक जी बैठे हुए थे और श्लोक ने कैसा करा है आप हमें बताएं कमेंट बॉक्स में, और अगर हम कोई गलतियां कर रहे हैं हमें उससे भी रूबरू करवाया जाए. एंड आई होप एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू दैट इंग्लिश कोई भी सीख सकता है और किसी को भी सिखाई जा सकती है. सो श्लोक, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू.
Thank you, sir.
टॉप 10 वेज पढ़ना आप शुरू कर दीजिए. पैसिव वाइज पढ़ना प्लेलिस्ट से शुरू कर दीजिए, एंड प्रेपोजिशन की प्लेलिस्ट भी मैंने शुरू कर दी, उससे भी पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए अगर अभी तक शुरू नहीं किया है. ठीक है, मिलते हैं आपसे एक नई वीडियो में.